Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I will be reviewing all of my RC cars in my collection. First up is this WL Toys Mini Racer 50th scale. It's very small, and compared to an Apple wall plug charger, as you can tell, it is pretty small. This is actually Apple, but it does actually move on the ground. You just need a flatter surface because it's meant for indoor wooden floors. And just to mention, since it's so small, the remote comes with a dock. It does not charge it though. Right there. You just put it on there, but to actually charge it from the remote, there's a plug on the side. All products will be linked in the description if you want to buy them or check them out. Moving on to the next one. Next up on our list is a RA Star McLaren P1. It's about $40 on Amazon, or it can be $40 to $80 depending on where you buy it from. Here's the remote. In order to drive it, I'll need to move to the pavement. Here we are on the pavement with the RA Star McLaren P1. It definitely has more speed to it. I think it's like maybe 8 miles per hour. It's definitely really fun. It takes 5 AA batteries. The remote takes a 9-volt. So yeah, moving on to our next one. Here's my main car. The Traxxas Rustler VXL. I run this off 3S Traxxas ID battery, 4000 milliamp. And then also the Traxxas TQI remote system. Now this car is running off the Valenian VXL power system. Let's just take this off real quick. I actually installed the fan. I haven't really done any upgrades on it. The motor, everything. Pretty soon I'll be getting some carbon fiber parts. Yeah, now I'm gonna jump it a little bit. Now that I've kind of given you a little information about this car, I'm gonna jump it around a little bit. If you enjoyed, please leave it a like and subscribe. If you didn't, dislike, it all helps.